So, good day everyone. So, after thoroughly reading the PowerPoint about the human nature, uh, I understand that human beings possess unique characteristics that highlight the depth and complexity of a human nature. So, these characteristics include rationality, freedom, uniqueness, social being, and spirituality. And among these characteristics, freedom resonates mostly deeply with me because freedom is not just the ability to make choices but also the power to act in ways that align with one's values and aspirations. It is true freedom that we exercise autonomy over our lives, taking ownership of our actions and decisions. So, to me, freedom represents human dignity, the capacity to rise above limitations, envision new possibilities, and create a unique path in life. And it also reminds me that while circumstances may influence me, I am not defined by them. Instead, I can adapt, learn, and grow through every experience. And in addition, freedom also inspires me to embrace life with authenticity and creativity. It empowers me more to explore who I am, make choices that reflect my goals and principles, and above all, strive for growth and self expressions. Although freedom comes with a weight of responsibility, this responsibility fosters accountability and it teaches me to consider how my choices impact not only myself but also the community around me. Freedom is not just an invitation, uh, rather it impulsively but a call to make thoughtful, meaningful decisions that lead to personal collective growth.